Okay guys, hi guys, I'm back with the part 2, and as you can see of part 1, it was like a 30-minute long video. I had to edit some stuff out sometimes. I mean, you guys, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. I don't know. Oh, the snowstorm is coming soon. Let's change this. Behind the scenes, once again. I better hurry it first. And have to proceed. I do not remember. Ooh. I do not remember if I, oh my god, why is this so laggy? Oh yeah, guys, I cracked my phone. Oh, no. Be gone with the wind. No. It was just a pumpkin hat. Oh, I would like to shout out someone from my first video. What was, I have to check on my phone here. But oh, well, I'm floating now. Oh, it's so loud, it's so loud, it's so loud. Settings, how do I lower this? How do I lower this? No. I don't want music. There. So loud. Okay, oh. If my phone gets laggy like this, I'm sorry, because my phone cracked. No, I don't want to float again. Here, I'll go over. No. Okay, I'll stay here. So the person is Nightmare Fuel. I don't know if I said it correctly, but if I did, shout outs to you because you left a really great comment. I was really happy once I saw that because it was my first ever video of this simulator. I don't know, it might die out here, but oh, what? Okay. But I was really happy, so I said in the comment, I said that, so this is what the person said. Good job, Lizzie. Nice video. I had fun with the Roblox. Yeah. I'm gonna go watch that as I'm doing this sometime around. But I will watch it, I will leave a like, and I shall comment, and I shall subscribe because I think, if I'm correct, subscribe to me. I don't know. But anyways, subscribe to me, and I'll leave a comment on your video. So, yeah. I don't know if I've been in this house. But then I said this. Nightmare Fuel, thank you for your great comment. I'll give you a shout out in my next video. So this is the next video. Part 2. Okay. And I shall go watch the videos. I do Roblox videos too. But I will do them randomly around. So yeah. I'm still watching my first video to see if I had to edit things out still. But at least, right. At least I get to do this. Hi. Okay. Putting on my headphones. And my dog is here. My dog Rosie. So yeah, I think that it's legendary. I'm joking. Never mind then. I guess I'm not gonna take that. But I will be taking the milk. I have 3 gallons of milk. What else do I not need? I don't need a clock. I don't need string. I don't need sticks. I don't need this. Actually, I do need bow and yeah, I do. I'm just gonna do this. Make a bow and arrow because I have arrows. Forgot how to make. Ooh, I can make a diamond sword. Wait, I only have 3 inches. Bow and arrow. And there's no sticks in these. Well, at least I have these. I have too many ender pearls. Okay, let me clean my thing out. Okay, guys, so I cleaned my inventory there. So, let's go in here. Ooh, chest. Oh, never mind. Another chest. I'm pretty sure they don't, like, I don't know, this, like, when the snowstorm comes, I think he, like, gets everything out of the chest. Oh my gosh, I'm, like, I haven't played Minecraft in so long. Oh, I thought I was levitating, but I hit the jump button. I'm pretty sure. Oh, look, there's the piggo dude. It took me a long time to clean my inventory because, like, yeah. So, as I was saying, it took me a long time to clean my inventory because I didn't know what I was doing. So, let's go here. I already went up there before. Wait, have I? I don't remember. I was just watching the video. I haven't watched it all the way. I'm just gonna say I did. If I didn't, I'll do it in a different video. Maybe I'll do it in a different video if I haven't done it. I have to go watch my videos again. I'm just breaking it with my bread, like nothing to be seen here. I don't know, I think I looted all of these. I mean, like, I took everything. I totally don't play Fortnite. I'm joking. I do play Fortnite. I play, like, every single game. I played Ballsies, Basics, Roblox. Roblox is my main priority. You know what? It's great. I can't even say it. I'm trying to say it in my head or whisper it and be like priority. Yeah, priority is Roblox because Roblox is my favorite game. Wait, where am I going again? I honestly don't know. Oh, look, it's pear. It's so cute. I'm gonna eat now. I have like 19 of these breads, so I shouldn't really care. So, yeah, maybe I'll like play Minecraft with my friend. I hope, like, I'm gonna get my phone fixed soon. I have 2 phones, to be honest. So, yeah. I might be like other servers. Maybe I'll like get Twitter and then, oh my god, I cannot get up here. Okay, maybe I'll like do like a not the VIP, but I'll just like join a game and then put the link to it and then you guys can join me on like Roblox or something because like I know this is like a Minecraft channel, but it says Lizzie Gaming or Gamer. I don't know. I haven't even checked it. I don't care. I have like many things to tell you about. I mean, not you, like a personal person, but I mean, many people but like once you know me well, you'll be able to like say, oh wow, this person knows this. Oh, this person knows this. I don't like telling my like self of like, what am I saying again? Like I say that to myself because I always say something wrong that I'm not. Well, like right now I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm just like climbing down this mountain. Well, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the end of this video, and this is the part 2, which I don't know where I am. So supposedly I'm gonna end this, and there's not gonna be any more parts of this. Maybe I'll go check out that tower thing and check it. Oh, ooh. Okay. Never mind. Okay. But like I'm gonna go check out this video and then either way, if you guys can't hear me, I'm gonna like still post it. Because I'm not gonna redo this all over again. I mean, it's the choice of being a YouTuber. I want to be a successful one. I mean, I'm only like, I'm not gonna say my age because like, boom, I'm not. But I'm gonna like end the video here next to the piggo. Piggo, come here. No, piggy. Piggy friend. Okay. Well, say goodbye to the piggy because you're never gonna see the human being. Well, not human. An animal being again. If I make another video of this, unless if you have this map, comment down below. You're so cute. Good thing is I got some shots of it. Okay, but like I'm just gonna find a perfect spot to end my video. And I think on top of this mountain will be great. What do you guys think? I don't know. Perfect. We'll just go like this. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I'll be back with another video soon. And as I said, shout out to Nightmare Fuel. I think that's how you say it. If I didn't, I'm sorry. If I did, you're welcome. So yeah, guys, bye now. Stay safe forever, because you guys need to stay safe so then you guys can have a happy life as well. And yeah, if this is to come to the end of my video, watch part 1. I'll leave it. I don't know how to do that, but I honestly don't care. I'll try. But like you can go check it out yourself. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I have to see if my computer works now so I can edit this video, which I'm pretty sure I'm not going to be able to, which I will. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.